Are you tired of spending hours installing software on your computer? Meet Ninite.com, your one-stop solution for hassle-free software installation. Ninite is a free web-based service that allows you to download and install multiple applications at once, without the annoying bloatware or toolbars that often come with software downloads. Whether you need web browsers, media players, security tools, or utility software, Ninite has you covered. It offers a wide selection of popular applications that you can choose from. Using Ninite is super easy. Just visit the website, select the applications you want from the list, and click the Get Your Ninite button. This generates a custom installer just for you. Download the installer, run it, and watch as Ninite automatically installs your selected software in the background. No clicking next through endless prompts. Ninite handles everything for you. But that's not all. Ninite also keeps your software up to date. Just run the installer again, and it will update any apps that have new versions available. No hassle involved. With Ninite, you can save time and avoid the headaches of manual installations. It's perfect for new computers or when you need to reinstall your favorite programs. So why wait? Visit Ninite.com today and streamline your software installation process. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency.